Hi everyone, this is Aki with a quick video on how to save your Keynote presentation as PowerPoint. So I have this sample Keynote presentation with few slides and I want to save it as a PowerPoint. So the quick way to do it is if you go to File, Export, and you should have an option for PowerPoint. Once you select this, there are also some advanced options and you can save it in the current format, the most up-to-date, or some older format. So I'm going to save it as a default, the newest version. Click Next. You want to specify where you want to save it. I'm going to keep the same name since the extension should not override my Keynote presentation. So I've done it. Now I'm going to go to the folder. And now I can see I have my Keynote presentation right there and my PowerPoint. So I'm going to try to open the PowerPoint and see how it's saved, whether it's saved all my layouts and so. And so far, thus far, it looks like images, everything, the photos that I had, icons, everything saved exactly the same. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Now, if you want to do the other way around, so let's say I have PowerPoint presentation. So let's save this as the other way around. Let's save this as PowerPoint to Keynote. So I have this PowerPoint presentation now. If I want to save it as Keynote, there is, if you go to Export, File Export, you will notice that it doesn't have that option. So actually the way to do it, I mean, you could save it as PDF and open in Keynote, but you may lose some formatting. So the easiest way actually is, if you are in Keynote, to click to, okay, let's just close this maybe and have just blank page. So what I would do when I have the Keynote open, I go to File, Open, and now you want to find your PowerPoint presentation. So you see in Keynote, you're able to see the PowerPoint presentation file. While when we were in PowerPoint, we didn't see it. It was grayed out. So once I open the, click on the PowerPoint presentation, it does open in Keynote. So basically, to convert it Keynote to PowerPoint, you just export it as PowerPoint. But to convert it from PowerPoint to Keynote, you open Keynote and then you open the PowerPoint file. So hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.